let's move to Agile principles and Agile values, because that is the part of our syllabus. Here you can see we need to understand Agile principle and Agile values as task one in Agile principle and mindset. So in 80s, when people use waterfall model, and they know the drawbacks of waterfall model, then couple of people gathered together. Like these are the 12 how many these 3, 6, 12. So these are the 18, 20 people. They gather at one place, and they came up with this Agile value. And after this these gathering, these entire Agile thing, Agile methodology came out from that meeting. Okay, so they come up with these 4 values: individual and interactions over process and tools. What it says, like you don't need to focus much on processes and tools. You need to focus more on individual interaction. Like if 2% discuss something, that is sufficient to develop a feature, or that is sufficient to work on it. You don't require to emphasize much on processes and tools, like come up with this thing and this thing, because these are the bottleneck for delivery, good delivery. So individual and interactions over processes and tools. Second value is working software over comprehensive document. So Agile do not focus much on documentation part. You can see in Agile, we don't require much documentation. We don't require SRS document, LLD,
Yes.
everything. So Agile required documentation, but not very detailed, not very comprehensive document. Just in the zero sprint, just document little bit thing, architecture, and start working on it. So working software is a primary criteria of any output. If your software is working, that is sufficient. That is even you don't have detailed documentation, that is okay. Okay, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. So many a time when we are in waterfall model, we usually discuss a lot contracts, like pointers, like see this is what written in the contract and this is what we will work. So these are the things lot in waterfall model. But in Agile, you don't focus much on contract negotiation. We mostly focus on customer collaboration. If customer is happy, that is okay. If customer is not happy, there is no any point of contract negotiation, discussing on contract points. Then 4 value is responding to change over following the plan. We make plan is necessary, but it is not like we rigid with that plan, we restrict with that plan, and we often respond to change rather than following the plan. So these are the 4 Agile values which we focus a lot in Agile. So this is the basic fundamental of Agile, any Agile. When you think about Agile, you need to think about these 4 values, and you need to always stick with these values. Okay,